Hello, this is Brian again, going to bring you a tutorial on how to find your camera on your Chromebook. This is going to help you make a quick little video using the least amount of technology possible. On the lower left hand corner there's a little circle. It's going to pop that up, and now you can click on the arrow to give you all your screen. You have to scroll down and you can swipe because we have the touch screens. You can swipe up and choose camera. Once the camera pops up, you are now able to start to make your video. You have the option to take a video, take a picture, or put it in square mode. Not sure what that does, but go ahead and check the video. Go ahead and record yourself. I have a second video showing you how to make your videos, some little tips and tricks. So what I want to show today is once you do have that video, what you do. So that's how you start making your video. I'm going to close that screen out. I'm going to show you how to upload that video to your Google Drive. Once again, you're going to go ahead back to that window. You're going to look for the button that says File. Once you have File, you just created a video, so go ahead to Videos. And you can see my video is there. It says Chromebook Easy Make Video that I just did for you. And I'm going to upload that to my folder that I created. So I'm going to go down to Google Drive on the left hand side. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to go to My Drive. And I want to go back up to videos. I'm sorry. So once they're at videos, I want to open up my Google Drive down on the bottom here. I don't want to open it up all the way. I just want to keep it open on the left hand side because I want to be able to drag and drop it in. So now that you have it open on the left hand side, I'm going to look for my file that says how to make a video. Go ahead and grab that video and drag it right in to how do I make a video folder, and it'll pop right in there.